What if there was a secret real estate strategy that paid almost as much as a vacation rental, but required absolutely zero daily cleanings or constant guest messages? While short-term rentals can definitely generate massive revenue, the relentless turnover and increasingly strict city regulations are forcing many burnt-out investors to look for a better solution. This incredibly lucrative sweet spot is known as a mid-term rental, and it specifically targets traveling nurses, corporate executives, and families temporarily displaced by home repairs. These high-quality professionals typically sign leases for 30 to 90 days, which provides you with incredible income stability without the exhausting daily headache of running a hotel business. Because their massive housing stipends are often paid directly by large corporations or major insurance companies, you almost never have to worry about chasing down a late rent payment. You still get to furnish the property beautifully and charge a premium monthly rate, but you completely eliminate the massive expense of paying a cleaning crew 3 times a week. This strategy is completely dominating the market right now because it bypasses strict local vacation rental bans while still doubling the cash flow of a standard long-term lease. Let's explore exactly how to list your property on specialized corporate housing websites so you can seamlessly attract these premium long-stay guests starting today.